So, first thing we can do, we can have plants in our garden, in our apartment windows. Heck, we could even plant plants in our cars if we wanted. Yeah, probably. Anyways, it's important that your plant gets plenty of sunlight and a little bit of water. Which, by the way, it looks as though this could use a little bit of water right now. I'll go get some. Ooh, don't want to record anyone else without their consent, so
Okay, I will tell her that.
you just
She said just to wait here and she'll come get them all.
Oh, okay. So then I probably don't have to worry about her logging me.
all right.
But
Where's
Just in case she does, I don't think she will.
there are some cups.
yeah, Caitlin said just to wait here and then when she's done at Coffee Cart, she'll come get everybody to go
Oh my
upstairs.
goodness. Okay, maybe not from there.
What do you need?
What do you
Cups.
mean now?
Oh,
honey, right there.
What?
Oh,
Yeah? Sit down.
Mitch, are you excited about the animals?
Yeah, I really am. I'm just right here. I just saw them pulling our grass. Yeah.
Looks like there was like a donkey and.
Oh, I'm just saying like wherever Andrew wants
just
to
a
do
little bit of water.
whatever you want to do. Want to do that?
Yeah, I think she wants to look
Oop.
at them, but I don't think she wants to touch them.
Don't touch them. All right.
Yeah.
I know.
Excuse me.
Right now, like Goldie.
Sarah, can you sit by with you?
I need water.
Yeah, say
Sarah, he said to get me.
Why need to water that plant?
Hey, Sarah.
Sarah.
Can you for a little? Oh, I think he's
All right.
he's watering the plants, Sarah.
I asked him to water the plant.
Sarah? Sarah? Banner?
And now you got a perfectly watered plant. Which brings me to the second point I want to make.